Yan. I want you to sit down. Sige, upo ka, ma'am. Huwag ka mahiya. Oops! Sige, ma'am. Dito lang. Okay. Wala pa. Patong muna yung paa. Yan. Lalak muna natin yung paa mo. I want you to test it out muna. So, I want you to hold the bar. Yan. Okay. Nag-rowing ka na?
First time po.
Sige, isa pa ulit. Yan. Tama naman. Okay. 1 minute lang ito. As farthest as you can. Start na. Uy, gaan lang. Ang gaan. 295.
We're going to be working on a whole variety
Sir, bench press. Gusto?
to 2 minutes.
As many reps as you can. Pinakamadaming kaya mo, you win a prize.
Maintain a decreasing training duration.
Score to beat, secret. Pwede po, rowing. Yan. Yan. Okay lang. Sige ma'am, row pa. More for you. Oh, nagpabili pa kanina. Imagination mo mamang limit. Hindi, joke lang. 1 minute lang po nito. As farthest as you can. Get jack. And okay na ma'am.
24.
Thank you po for joining. Hindi ka nanalo.